This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome back. So the next banner we will be designing is a banner for Tumblr. So let's get straight into it. So let's go to canva.com, and at the top here where it says create a design, let's click more just here and let this new page load. And once it has, let's scroll down until you see social media and email headers, and we're just going to look for Tumblr. Okay, so I see it just here. So let's click on this and let this new page load, and this is where we will be designing the Tumblr banner. So let's get straight into it. So on the left here we have all of the different layouts, and on the right is the canvas we'll be designing onto. And before anything, we're just going to rename this Tumblr banner and then hit done and go file, save, and now we have the canvas ready to start designing. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first things first, we of course need to pick ourselves out a layout. So let's just go through these now and see which one is best for us. Now I don't think this Tumblr banner is going to take too long, probably no more than 5 minutes in my opinion, because it doesn't look like it's going to be as difficult as the other ones. I think this is going to be a very easy one and a very quick one to make. So let's just look for a layout, begin designing, and then we're finished pretty much, because that's all we need to do. Look for one, design it, and then download it and upload it to Tumblr. Really, that's all you need to do. So yeah, let's look for a cool layout. I've seen a couple nice ones. That one's quite cool. Yeah, there's some I really do like actually. This one's cool. If we change this, so this says black and this says brick, and then if we just make it so that this can actually fit the word black and move that to the right slightly, there we go. And if we change this here to the Ultimate Online Courses, full stop, there we go. So we have the Ultimate Online Courses black brick. The only thing is, I don't think we have enough text here for where we've put the Ultimate Online Courses. So let's just type in go from beginner to professional. Fantastic. There we go. So let's see what we've got. So we've got the Ultimate Online Courses, and then we're going to put a comma, go from beginner to professional. Yeah, fantastic. I like that. And we're going to have to move this and this to the left so it fits with the other text. So let's just do that now. There we go. Nice. So that's on the left. They both start just here. So we've got the Ultimate Online Courses, go from beginner to professional, black brick. And that's pretty much done, to be honest. You can change the background color just by clicking on it and obviously changing the color to anything you want. And that's nice and easy, of course. Or you can just leave it as it was by going Ctrl Z a few times to find what you originally had. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. It took no time at all, but it's quite a nice design, I think, really. I don't like that font too much, though. So if we look for a new font for this, that could be a bit better. There we go. That's a nicer font. Fantastic. There we go. So we've got quite a nice font there now. We've got a very nice design, a nice font, two nice fonts down here as well. And yeah, I'm very happy with this. I think it's very nice. It's very simplistic, but it's very nice. I like it a lot. Now, yeah, so that's that. That was super simple, super quick, but super awesome as well. So depending on which layout you guys chose, I hope that you chose one you like, of course. And I took no time at all designing this one. So you can, of course, make a new page and design something new. It will take probably just the same amount of time, no time at all. Just rename this to whatever you want, change the background color, style it up a bit so it has your own sort of unique design flair into it. And yeah, so I can add some elements, really, some shapes, some different things on here, and see what I can do. Okay, so let's just have a quick look as to what I could add to make this a bit better, so that it's not too simplistic, so that we've done more work in this video. Because at the moment this video has been very easy for everyone who's taken part, because, well, of course we've not done much. It's taken no time at all. So let's just select the background color for that, and then just pop that in there. Awesome. Okay, so of course you can do whatever you want. You could do this, you could do anything really. It's always up to you, of course. I think I'm just going to leave it like that actually, or a bit slanted. I'm not too sure really. I might make this bottom one a bit bigger, like that, and then just turn it around like this. And then there's just a nice random shape there. It looks quite cool. And then I'll just copy this a few times. Control D duplicates it, and then I'll just move this over here. Let's see, just here. Awesome. Move it down a little bit more. Cool. So I think that looks quite cool. Let's just leave it as that then. There we go. So yeah, there's some random designs in there now as well. We've got the original design, the original layout, and some random shapes as well. I think it just adds some sort of unique style to it, you know what I mean? So yeah, it looks strange, but I quite like it. It's just random, you know, it's unique. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. It's taken no time at all. It's very nice. It's very simple to do, and it looks very nice as well, in my opinion anyway. Now, yeah, so that's all for this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned a lot, and hopefully you had a great time. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and goodbye.